Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to show you guys all the products I'll be using on my natural hair journey to grow and maintain my hair. I'm making a very simple leave-in conditioner you can apply on your hair daily. For this recipe, I'm using fenugreek powder, aloe vera juice, vitamin E oil, and a few drops of essential oil. If you don't have all the products listed here, that's fine. You can just use fenugreek powder mixed with any oil of your choice and water. So pour some warm water in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder and mix very well. I love fenugreek a lot and I use it almost in all my DIYs. Next, add aloe vera juice. You can also use the aloe vera gel if you have the aloe vera plant at home. Then add vitamin E oil and few drops of tea tree essential oil and mix very well. Now I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes before pouring it into my application bottle. This hairspray doesn't take too much time and it's very easy to do. I'm using a strainer to strain it out so I don't have too much particles of the fenugreek powder in there. You can store it in the refrigerator for 5 days and always shake it up before applying it on your hair. So guys, I'm quickly going to show you how I apply this leave-in conditioner on my hair. My hair is already washed and conditioned and I will be doing the LOC method. I'm going to spray it all over my hair and then apply my homemade hair growth oil and hair cream. You can apply this hairspray on your braids or protective hairstyles. Also make sure to apply on your edges and massage very well. This hairspray helps to moisturize dry hair and makes your hair thicker. I'll be applying it on my hair daily for 5 days without rinsing it out and then wash my hair once a week as I normally do on my wash day routines. I will also show you guys all the hair masks I'll be using on my natural hair journey. My hair is 9 months now and I'm happy with the results so far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you all in my next one and thanks for watching. Bye.